is an interesting point actually, because I think what we're dealing with here is different areas. So I think it might be useful to discuss the general principles of, is this the right way in terms of core, pathways, options, applicability across it. So I think that's a reasonable discussion to have. But the other discussion I was looking to clarify is, what are the overall objectives within this? Because obviously there's some trailblazer work continuing here in some other areas, like food and drink, for instance. My understanding is there are some trailblazers happening in maintenance engineering already. So those trailblazers are going ahead. Is the intention to try and combine all those trailblazers into one in terms of the maintenance engineering, and pull along some of the other areas where maintenance engineer is involved or not? So I'm just trying to clarify what the process is that we're actually going through. What we've done actually today is actually it's gone straight into quite a lot of detail in terms of what should and shouldn't be in. I mean, we've got some views on what should and shouldn't be in, but I was just wondering whether we could just spend a couple of minutes understanding the overall objectives of what we're trying to do.
Yeah, happy to do that. Very good point. I mean, basically, the problems of this is the December meeting. Barry and I had a chat about maintenance engineers cropping up in a number of sectors, and given the fact that we are now developing new standards, would a maintenance engineer working on, let's say, wind turbines be as qualified, as suitably assessed, and as employable in the nuclear industry, or perhaps someone that's working on a turbine of a jet engine and working on a turbine in a large gravity flow water system?
Yeah.
Actually, the machinery is the same. Are they equally qualified? So I think the question was,